Hi guys, Steve Girardi here. Welcome to Steve Strings. Today I have another unboxing video for you. I was contacted by Acklot and asked if I would like to take a look at a new keyboard that they have. And I told them, I said, you know, my channel is about stringed instruments, but they said they'd like me to take a look at it. And my wife actually has played the piano, and so I've seen the piano and keyboards, and I thought, you know, it might be useful for me to maybe look at this and learn more about scales and things from it. So I said, sure, I'll take a look at it. So here it is. I should say that from taking a first glance at this box, the box got pretty beat up in the shipping. So hopefully this keyboard's in good shape. But let's go ahead and take a look. So there it is, Acklot Keyboard Piano. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. So I was glad to see that the box that the keyboard came in was in better shape than the outer box. And I should say that from looking at this here, I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a linear tubed bubble wrap in here. So this thing is really well packed. So hopefully it survived the trip just fine. Okay, the first thing I get out of here is obviously the music stand that comes with it. And there it is. One of the things that comes tucked away in here looks like it is the power supply that you plug into the wall, which is good. Okay, so here it is. You can get the first glance of this keyboard. And again, this does not come with a stand, so I'll need to be setting this on like a tabletop or level surface. But it does come with a plug, and it does come with this music stand. So there you go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read the instructional manual on this to make sure I know how it works. And I'll plug it in and figure out how it all works. And I'll come back and I'll give you a full review. But for today, thanks for looking at this unboxing. If you've had a chance to play with the Acklot keyboard already, I'd like to hear what your experience has been. Thanks for watching.